Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper, Tuesday, July the 13th. We have two puzzles left: tectonic one with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3091. And before I start, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Alright. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then we need to compare, I think. We need to compare. Alright. Look for a row or for a column with only 2 missing numbers. For example, this one. Can I compare this row? 101. No. I cannot compare this one. So there must be an opening. Let me think. Here also 2 missing numbers. Digits. Can I compare this column? Yeah, this column and the first column. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. Here we have a 1. This should be an O. Here we have an O. This should be a 1. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare. Yeah. Look, this row and the row below. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. Here we have a 1. This should be an O. Here an O. We need an 1. So now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. Great. A binary. I like this one. Yes. Thank you again for watching. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye. No. It's a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.